Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a column from another sheet in Excel step by step. This process works the same on both Windows and Mac OS. First, identify which column appears in both sheets and which column you want to pull from the source sheet. For example, if you have a student list in sheet 1 and a course price list in sheet 2, you'd want to add the course prices next to each student name. Now, click the cell where you want the first value from the other sheet to appear. This is usually the first row in an empty column next to your existing data. Type an equals sign. You'll see the formula bar at the top of the screen show that equals sign. Next, type vlookup, that's XLLOOKUP, open parenthesis. You'll see an autocomplete dropdown appear showing the function syntax. Now, click the cell in your current sheet that contains the value you want to match. This is usually in column A or wherever your identifying column is. Excel automatically inserts the cell reference, something like A2, into the formula. Type a comma, then click the tab of the sheet that contains the data you want to pull from. The sheet tabs are at the bottom of the Excel window. The source sheet becomes active and you can see its data. Click and drag to select the entire column range in the source sheet that contains the matching values. Excel automatically adds the range with the sheet name. You'll see something like Sheet 2! A2 to A100 in the formula bar. That exclamation mark tells Excel you're referencing another sheet. Type another comma, then select the column range that contains the data you actually want to retrieve, like the prices column or the names column. Excel adds that range reference as well. Type a closing parenthesis and press enter. The retrieved data appears in your target cell. Finally, click that cell with the formula, then click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, that's the fill handle, all the way down to the last row of your data. The formula fills down and automatically adjusts the lookup value for each row. Once you're done, spot check a few rows to make sure the data matches correctly. If you see $n/A errors, the lookup values probably don't match exactly between the two sheets. Check for extra spaces or different formatting. Also, make sure both ranges you selected have the same number of rows, otherwise Excel might return incorrect matches. If you're using Microsoft 365, the vlookup formula can automatically spill values for all rows without dragging, but dragging the fill handle works in all versions. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.